For our next trick, you are going to scour your pantry for anything that comes in a small plastic disposable bowl. I personally used this microwavable rice bowl for this. If you have one or two AC vents that just don't seem like they are putting out the same airflow as the rest of them, it may be that your airflow is too efficient around those vents, and the air is moving so fast that it's not making the turn to go down the vent. Here's where the rice bowl can help. Take the cover off of the offending vent and put your hand up into the duct. If you feel air rushing by, but it's not making the turn down, then it's time for the rice bowl. Cut the bowl in half. You're going to tape it up in your duct in such a way that it is going to scoop the air and push it down towards the vent. You want your scoop to be roughly half the height of your duct so that it will scoop some of the air, but still leave room for air to move on to the next vent in the system.